Hey y'all, so welcome back. This is part two of pressing techniques, and I'm going to show you guys a few techniques that I use. So I've divided my mannequin head into 4 sections, 4 quads, and I just want to show you guys how to press the hair in different directions. Remember from part one to test the comb before you put it in your client's head, as I did on my paper towel. And now I'm going to begin pressing her right quad in the back, and I'm going in and directly turning up because we press the hair with the back of the comb. So now I've gone ahead and divided the section horizontally, and I'm going to show you guys how I would press a horizontal section. And so the same thing applies. We're going to go in, but we're directly turning the comb as soon as we pass the roots of the scalp. And as you can see, the back of the comb does a good job soaking in the hair, and we haven't even flat ironed it yet. So I'm just going to show you guys the difference between the part that's not pressed and then the part that I just pressed. So now I just want to show you guys the technique I use going upward. And as you guys can see, like, you want to grab the hair with a little bit of tension so that you're stretching it as you press, especially going upward. Any direction you go, you want to have a little bit of tension. So now that I'm at that corner, I actually have to turn the direction of the pressing comb, and you want to just conform the comb to your client's head. You don't have to just use the same motion every time. You want to try to get in where you fit in. So now I'm going to let that left quadrant down and show you guys the same thing on the opposite side. So I'm using tension and I'm turning the comb, and I'm literally smoothing the hair with the back of the pressing comb. And I'm going a little bit slower just to show you guys how I am applying pressure as I'm pushing the comb through. And normally I only press the roots of the hair and I use the flat iron for the rest of the hair, but I'm going to push all the way down the hair shaft. As you guys see, each section I just applied the same method. And so for this last section, I'm just going to show you guys the same thing. I'm turning the comb and I'm applying pressure with the back of the pressing comb to smooth it out. As always, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. Here's my tag. And please, please, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys next time.